is one of my BCA breakdown specials. To be fair, I thought it had a turbo issue. It drove absolutely fine, but there was a picture on the dash. To me, it looked like a turbo, but then on closer inspection, it was a tyre with a nail in it. So yeah, I think it was just a pressure on one of the tyres. I mean, I pumped them all up. They all seem pretty decent now. Only thing I've done to it so far, this trim was missing, so replaced that. I think it's like 20 quid on eBay. Literally just about to give it a wash now. The other one is that pain in the ass. Yeah, I think it might be alternator with this one, but there's no coolant or anything in it when I bought it. Sorry, when I got it home, there was coolant in it when I bought it, so I'm guessing there's a leak somewhere as well. I was hoping it was just the bodywork. As you can see, I think it's got a slightly different colour door, and that scrape down there. So I think it would have probably cost me about 300 quid maybe to get that sorted. But the only reason why I bought it is a low mileage, I think 52,000 miles, automatic. So probably retails for about 3,750 maybe. So yeah, that's in the garage I think on Wednesday. I'm going to give this a wash, polish the headlights. You can't really tell in the video through the camera, but they are actually quite yellow. So give them a polish, give it a good clean. Only thing I need to do to it really is paint the, as you see there, it's quite dull on the wing mirror, so I'll grab some paint from the paint shop. There's nothing else. It's a nice car. I think, you know, including fees, it owes me about 600 quid. It's done 96,000 miles. 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual, cruise control, electric seats. So yeah, that's a nice thing actually, and it's a comfy ride as well, to be fair. So yeah, I'll get cracking on with this and we'll get some pictures up shortly. That's a Peugeot all washed, headlights polished. Just want to do some tyre dressing, give it a quick spray with some detailing spray. I'm just about to go and do the interior, which to be fair isn't too bad. Just needs a bit of a hoover, wipe down. Seats are fairly decent there, to be fair. Just wipe down all the plastics and stuff, and then that should be it, I think. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. And there is the semi-finished article. Still needs a good polish. But literally it's the only day of the week where it's not meant to rain. I've got plans this afternoon, so that's going to take another few hours to do really. But it cleans up alright, to be fair. What did I use? I used some turtle wax shampoo, some turtle wax, I think it's called Red Line for the wheels. They come up pretty smart. Forgot to mention, it does have I think you can see in the video, kind of a massive kind of dent in the sill area, but there's nothing really I can do about that, unfortunately. Like I said previously, replaced that, a bit of trim, polish the headlights, and yeah, so it's got 4 Goodyear tyres all round as well, all with decent tread. Interior now looks a hell of a lot cleaner. It comes up pretty nicely, to be fair. Everything works as it should. Aircon blows nice and cold. So yeah, it's a nice car. It's a comfortable car as well. So this should do someone pretty well, I think. So put up for sale, polish it in the week at some point. There's a couple of scuffs I need to get out at some point as well. So hopefully next video I've got, this should be sold.